So India is poised as one of the greatest innovation hub, as recognized by the global fintech companies, because the top in the world global companies are having hiring Indian talent for their projects anywhere in the world, especially top software companies, management, technology, everywhere. So this is the advantage is India is having talent advantage and young people advantage. What we call that what we call that young people advantage. Another is uh, the innovation innovation capacity of Indians. See, many startups were being uh, established in India, and majority of them are successful, and also becoming unicorns.